Okay, we're going to do the last part of question 17, where they say the area of triangle TPC and the area of triangle RSC. They would like to know what that ratio is, the ratio of those two areas. Well, you're just going to use the area rule, but first let's figure out where they are. Well, you've got TPC. There's this triangle here. I've actually put it in blue here. You've got a little blue triangle. And then you've got RSC. RSC, that's the big red triangle. RSC. I just highlighted it here so you could look at the colors of them. Well, they look like those triangles are similar. Well, their sides are proportional. Their areas are going to be proportional too. And all we do is just what they said. Use the area rule. So let's take a look at it. The area of triangle TPC. Well, this little blue triangle, well, it's 1/2 times the two sides of the triangle times the sine of the angle in between. So we go 1/2 times 5a. Oh, we called this 5a and 2a because we had to use a fourth letter here because we know the ratio is 2 to 5 because they're similar here. But anyways, 5a times 5 said times the sine of the angle in between. That's the area rule. And there's the area of TPC. Well, what's the area of RSC? It's the same thing, it's just bigger. It's 7a and 7z. 1/2 7a times 7f. Those are the areas of the two triangles. Now, if we made a fraction and put them, we're looking at the ratio of this to this, a whole lot of things would cancel. These half divided by a half would cancel. The sine of c divided by the sine of c would cancel. The a's would cancel. The z's would cancel. And all you'd be left with is 5 times 5 over 7 times 7. And that's your answer. That's the ratio of the area of triangle TPC to the area of triangle RSC. So it's really not too hard, especially if you have all these letters done in here nicely. When we were figuring out the ratio of RT to RC, I think I didn't click the last thing in the thing. It's actually our fourth thing that we don't know what these lengths are, but we know the ratio. We had this was X and this was X, and then we got 3Y and 2Y, and then 3Z and 2Z, and then here we got another ratio of 2 to 5, but we put A here. I put A there. You can put any letter you like. So there's all your ratios. These little variables here make it so you can see all the ratios of what's going on in the triangle. They're a real good idea.